Why did Elon Musk's Bitcoin U-turn trigger a cryptocurrency crash? Elon Musk's announcement on Wednesday that Tesla would no longer consider Bitcoin as payment for car purchases prompted investors to slam the brakes on the brisk cryptocurrency sector. Musk said that his decision was motivated by Bitcoin's increasing environmental issues, although some doubted whether it was true, given that Tesla's key goods are environmentally friendly electric vehicles and solar energy panels, and it is no secret that mining Bitcoin with large quantities of computing power is an energy-intensive endeavor. As a result, Bitcoin rates fell precipitously Wednesday night, causing investors and other digital currency holders to lose hundreds of billions of dollars. Despite Musk's announcement, Tesla confirmed that it intends to keep its Bitcoin stake, which was estimated at around $1.5 billion at the end of March. Tesla's earnings in the first 3 months of the year totaled $438 million, the highest the firm has ever made in a single year. However, almost a quarter of those gains, or $101 million, came from the sale of a part of the company's Bitcoin holdings. We are concerned about the rapidly growing use of fossil fuels for Bitcoin mining and transactions, especially coal, which has the highest emissions of any fuel, Musk tweeted. He went on to say that while cryptocurrency is a positive concept on many fronts, its pledge cannot come at a high cost to the environment. Cryptocurrency rates are skyrocketing. Despite recent drops, cryptocurrency values have risen by orders of magnitude in 2021 alone. On Wednesday night, shortly after Musk's announcement, the price of Bitcoin fell nearly $9,000 to just over $46,000. Other digital currencies have also fallen in value. As of late Thursday, the price of Ethereum had dropped by around 12%, or $500, to about $3,700. According to CNBC's figures, Musk's single tweet wiped up to $365 billion in liquidity from the cryptocurrency sector. However, some of those damages were easily regained. Bitcoin's price had recovered to about $49,000 by midday Thursday. However, Musk's announcement has revealed a strong challenge for Bitcoin holders, potentially putting a halt to what appeared to be the currency's rapid evolution. Most of the recent rise in the price of Bitcoin has been focused on the expectation that major corporations would quickly use the blockchain not just as a way of payment but also as a secure place to store funds. Tesla's February announcement that it had spent about $1.5 billion in Bitcoin and that it would shortly begin accepting the digital currency as payment for Tesla vehicles further added to that assumption. Indeed, when Musk announced his company's Bitcoin investment in early February, the price of Bitcoin was just over $37,000. In just 6 weeks, the price increased by roughly 70% to a peak of slightly more than $63,000. At the time, Wedbush Securities' Dan Ives, a prominent tech analyst, dubbed Tesla's decision a game-changer for Bitcoin. Ives went on to say that in order to compete, other car manufacturers would have to start adopting Bitcoin. According to him, Tesla's decision may have a ripple effect through businesses around the world, with more firms embracing Bitcoin as a safe way to store their currency. Furthermore, at a time when people are concerned with inflation, saving the money in anything other than dollars that seems to be more inflation-proof seems to make sense. Ives expected that no more than 5% of the firms in the S&P 500 stock index will invest in Bitcoin over the next 18 months. However, He believes the adoption would rise significantly from there. Also, a small percentage of large U.S. corporations invested in cryptocurrencies will result in a large sum of capital. The S&P 500 corporations collectively have around $1 trillion in assets. 5% of that will be $50 billion, more than enough to significantly increase the price of Bitcoin, which has a current market cap of $900 billion. Musk's departure has little impact on this trajectory, as acceptance of Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies in general continues to rise. In March, Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell said that he thinks the Fed might benefit from creating its own digital currency, but that the bank has no intentions to do so anytime soon. Square, a payment provider, has already traded in Bitcoin. MasterCard announced earlier this year that it too would begin accepting Bitcoin payments. There are also an increasing number of Bitcoin-related investment platforms. Banks, brokers, and investment advisors are working to make it easier for customers to participate in cryptocurrencies. Executives at the mutual fund and 401k provider Fidelity agree Bitcoin has passed the turning point and the acceptance will continue. However, Musk's U-turn, as well as its immediate impact on digital currency rates, could delay the crypto craze. The idea that cryptocurrency will become a secure place to store cash is at the core of cryptocurrency acceptance. Nonetheless, Wall Street has long associated instability with uncertainty. Bonds, for example, are seen as less expensive than stocks because their values are more predictable. Cryptocurrencies are all but stable. The $50,000 swing in Bitcoin prices this year, $30,000 up and $20,000 down, could fuel fears that cryptocurrency is, at least for the time being, untrustworthy. Tesla accepting Bitcoin transactions was considered as a significant move for the crypto industry, Ives wrote in a message to clients on Thursday. Musk's turnaround may have a short-term detrimental effect on Bitcoin and the crypto landscape while the industry digests this perplexing news from one of the cryptocurrency's most vocal backers. We hope you enjoyed watching and listening to this video. Please let us know your opinion in the comments area below. If you found our content useful, please like it and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell for more crypto-related contents.